Well team, we are nearly at the end of the year, and for my very last video, I thought it'd be fun to showcase 10 of my all-time favorite home screen setups that I've seen throughout the year. Each of the setups featured in today's video were found within my app palette, and I'm not going to be walking you through the setup process for each of these setups, but if you are looking for guidance in that area, then definitely make sure to watch any of my previous best Android setups videos uploaded this year, as they all walk through the entire process in detail. I'll link the latest episode up in the cards and down below, but I've also double checked and each of the setups featured in today's video do have backup files available within Palette, so recreating each of them will be super easy. But with that being said, here are my 10 favorite Android setups for 2022. All right, kicking off the list today is this setup called Marine Boat by regular contributor to Palette, Christian Galvez. It's a simple yet beautifully vibrant setup created using Nova Launcher, and we've got 10 app icons down the bottom here in a 5x2 layout, each of which are using icons from the Timus Circle Dark icon pack, as well as a really clean day widget at the top, which actually comes from the U icon pack. And then the real talking point of this setup though, the thing that brings it all together, is this wallpaper. It's called I'm on a Boat and is available via the Backdrops application. And yes, it might be a relatively simple setup overall, but by golly, it's been laid out beautifully, therefore making it a really visually striking setup at the same time. Following that is a beautiful setup by another regular contributor to Palette, Kushal War. This one is called Simplistic, and it has also been made using Nova Launcher. The wallpaper for this setup comes from the Wallcanic application, and it's called Granny V3. And if you're wondering how I know the name of the wallpaper or the name of the widgets and so forth, well, that's because this information is available simply by tapping this little information icon within Palette, and there you go. But back to the setup, and we've also got a pretty functional yet fantastic looking day, date, and weather widget at the top here, which also plays host to a couple of shortcuts at the bottom. And then finally, we have 9 app icons laid out in a 3x3 configuration, each of which are using icons from the very clean Peanut icon pack. Third up today is this incredibly minimal setup called Neon Minimal. This is another Nova Launcher based setup, and it's been submitted by Ethan Holly. And despite its pretty radical level of minimalism, you can't deny that the setup just looks drop dead gorgeous. The wallpaper, which really is the heart of this setup, has been taken from the Smudges wallpaper application, and that clock widget at the top there is from the Shadow KWGT app. And then our 4 app icons here are from the Zwart icon pack, though I reckon changing that Google Files icon down the bottom there to an actual folder icon could have been a nice little added bit of functionality. Otherwise, I seriously love how clean this one looks. And another pretty minimal setup that I absolutely loved this year was this one called Peaks, submitted by Musa Kenshin. This is yet another Nova Launcher based setup, and once again, it's the wallpaper that really does a lot of the heavy lifting here, which, speaking of, comes from the Zedge wallpaper app, and if you search for Material Mountain, it should be one of the first options that shows up. Aside from that, we have a really clean day and time widget here, which is widget 47 from the Minimal KWGT app. And then finally, we have 5 dots here, each of which are actually app icons taken from the Cavian icon pack. And I kind of love the look of these dots on this setup. And like the previous setup, you could even potentially swap one of them to act as a folder for even more added functionality. All right, next up is this visually striking setup called Minimal, submitted by Mango Setups. And despite the name, I think you'd agree that this isn't quite as minimal as the previous 2 setups, but it's still super eye-catching, hence its inclusion in this episode. This is another Nova Launcher based setup with the wallpaper coming from the Vertical Wallpapers application. And the 2 widgets on this page here are both from the Desaturate Pro KWGT pack. On the right hand side, we have 12 app icons laid out in a 2x6 configuration, and these are using icons from the Reeve Dark icon pack, which is a fantastic pack that I've actually even featured on the channel in the past. Very nice. Halfway down the list, and we've seen a huge number of nature/floral based setups submitted this year, but without question, one of my favorites was this one here submitted by KitKat Sojib. It is yet another Nova Launcher based setup and goes by the very appropriate name of Floral Setup. But as you can see, we've got two widgets in this setup, both of which come from the Alpha KWGT and Delta KWGT packs respectively. But both widgets have been tweaked to match the wallpaper, which I think just adds so much to the overall look of the setup. Speaking of that wallpaper, it comes from the Wallpaperly application, which looks amazing. And then last but not least are the icons down the bottom here. 10 icons laid out in a 2x5 configuration, and these are all using icons from the Sand icon pack, which I think you'll agree suits this setup beautifully. A great example of using and adjusting assets within a single setup to make it incredibly cohesive. After that is this incredibly sleek Nova Launcher based setup by Yotam Krisman called ABCDEFG, and boy oh boy does this one look amazing. And the star of the show, once again, really is that wallpaper, which has all the letters of the alphabet scattered at the top, but then has this beautiful blank spot down the bottom for all of our icons and widgets. And this wallpaper has been taken from the Wallipop Wallpapers application. And then to go with that excellent vibrancy, we have this really nice icon pack in use here called the Creamy Icon Pack. And then below that, we have a time, day, and date widget, which comes from the ever faithful Watermelon KWGT pack. But if you prefer a lighter home screen setup, then this one called Winter Fox by DMCC is an absolute banger. It's also our first and only non-Nova Launcher based setup within this episode, and it was actually made using Smart Launcher. Again, the wallpaper really is the key ingredient in this setup because we have that beautiful Winter Fox vector up the top there, but then all of this negative space down the bottom, which DM has used beautifully to place all of those icons and widgets. The wallpaper comes from the Pixar Wallpapers application and is called Paper Style Graphic, and then those icons up the top there are from the Enix Dark Icon Pack. Below that, we have this incredible self-contained widget from the Fusion for KWGT pack. And I say self-contained because despite it looking so complex, it's all just within the one widget called 087. And it really does blend in so beautifully with the wallpaper, making for a fantastic end result. And then if you want something more vibrant, then this setup called Mini Yacht should absolutely do the trick. It is another Nova Launcher based setup submitted by Shahpuran Ahmed. And what I love about this setup is that not only are those icons down the bottom from one of my all-time favorite icon packs, the Crayon Icon Pack, but this amazingly vibrant wallpaper is also from the Crayon Icon Pack, and this just makes recreating this setup that little bit more affordable. We've also got a date widget at the top here from the Watermelon KWGT pack, and then a battery and weather widget down the bottom from the Andromeda KWGT pack. And it all ties together beautifully to create a super colorful and highly functional home screen setup. And so last, but certainly not least, we have this incredible looking setup submitted by regular contributor to Palette, Amaral Eason. The setup goes by the name of Village and is indeed another Nova Launcher based setup. And man, once again, this wallpaper is just an absolute beauty. And for me, the real lesson from today's video is that pretty much the key to any great setup is a great wallpaper. You still obviously have to pick great assets to complement that wallpaper, but what really sets a setup apart is the wallpaper itself. This particular wallpaper, which I reckon is absolutely phenomenal, comes from the Luna Wallpapers application and is called Village Lake. And then aside from that, we have two widgets on this home screen. This incredible battery percentage, date and time widget here, which is widget 029 from the Poppet KWGT pack. And then this comparably pretty minimal search widget down the bottom here, which comes from the Evoke KWGT pack. These 6 icons here are using icons from the Pastello icon pack, and that's all there is to this setup. But it looks incredibly eye-catching and super visually pleasing, so absolutely worthy of a spot in today's video. But there you have it. Those were my 10 favorite home screen setups out of all of the setups submitted to my app Palette this year. And what's really cool is that if you have the latest version of Palette installed, then clicking on any of the setup links down in the description will open each of the setups directly within Palette. Alternatively, you can also quickly find each of the setups featured in today's episode under this Best of Palette section under the featured category. And while we're here, I also highly recommend giving some love to each of the creators featured in today's episode by tapping on their profile and then by giving them a follow. But with that being said, thank you all very much for watching. Have a safe and happy new year, and I will catch you later.